Hello, and welcome to the CorView.Cloud How-To series. In this video, we will look at how to create a new group in CorView. Before we begin, please note that you must have CorView administrative privileges to create a new group. Contact your account administrator to obtain this privilege level. After logging into CorView, use the menu bar at the top of the page to navigate to the group list by first selecting Setup and then Groups. CorView will initially display all the groups within your current company. Take a moment to ensure the group you are going to create doesn't already exist. To create a new group, start by clicking the blue button in the top left-hand corner that says Add. A new screen will appear where you can enter all the group details. Begin by entering the new group name and then a group number. Note that the group number is optional. Next, select the group type. A standard group is a group of RMUs that is used for organization within the readings page and to send email alerts. An interruption group is a group of RMUs that can all be interrupted with one command. Let's look at an example of a standard group versus an interruption group. A site can only be assigned to one standard group, but the same site can be assigned to multiple interruption groups. In our example, the local tech gym has a standard group that contains 11 sites. Jim will receive email alerts when any of the 11 RMUs within his group send an alarm. Jim then has 3 different interruption groups which he uses for conducting surveys. Note that RMU number 5 is used in 2 interruption groups. Jim can send an interruption command to Group 1, and all 5 sites within that interruption group will receive the interruption command. Moving back to the new group creation, for our example, we're just going to create a standard group. The next option will only appear if you're a multi-company user. Select the company that this group should be incorporated into. The remainder of the options are related to email alerts from CorView. By entering your email address into the boxes below, CorView will send you email alerts for different events. For example, if our hypothetical operator Jim wanted to receive an email each time a new RMU is powered up, he would enter his email address into the new RMU email list. This is a handy option if Jim is performing new installs. He will receive an email confirming that the new RMU he just installed is communicating and reading properly. Additional email addresses can be added by simply typing in the address and then pressing Enter after. To remove an address, just click the X beside it. The next email list is the RMU System Fault Report. This will send an email when a site is overdue or has low battery status. This email list is processed at the end of each day. The exception email list will send an email when an RMU within the group encounters a change of alarm state, detects a change in the door sensor, or a change with the AC input sensor. The emails from this list are sent out almost immediately after the RMU transmission is received. The button press email list will send an email anytime the test button is pushed on an RMU. On certain models, it may be triggered by a test magnet instead. The interruption email list will send an email anytime an RMU starts or stops interruption. The last email list is for archive readings. This option will have CorView periodically send you a summary of the readings from this group to your email address. After entering your email address, use the pull-down menu to select how often you would like CorView to send you the archive report. In our example, we'll select monthly. Click the calendar icon in the menu below to select the date you would like the emails to start on. Then, select the file format you would like the attached readings to be saved as: CSV, Excel, or HTML. Lastly, use the time zone pull-down menus to select the time zone you would like the reports to use. Click the blue Save button to create the new group with your settings. We can now see the new group listed in the group table. At any time, you can edit the group by clicking the three dots to the left-hand side of the row and selecting Edit. Make the changes you would like to see. For example, we will remove Jim's email address from this list. Click Save when you're finished to commit the changes. If you have any further questions at all, please refer to our website at www.mobiltex.com or call our support team toll-free at 1-844-689-3282.